In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up in Roblox. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. You need to have the Roblox application, right? If you want to sign up with your smartphone, right? With your iPhone, with your Android. So click on it, right? Once it has opened up, click on this create account. You're going to select your date of birth, right? Make sure you're above 18, right? For it to go through well. So I'm going to click on confirm birthday. So right here you can see I'm currently 23, right? So make sure you select your own confirm date of birth, right? So click on your username. If you don't have a username, you can come on here, you can type your username, right? Jackson, right? So you can enter a number, Jackson 1101, right? You can see it's already in use, right? So we're gonna just try one of these given options, right? So you're gonna select your gender. If you're female, click on this. If you're male, click on this. Once you have clicked on it, just click on that continue. You're gonna create your account here in your Roblox. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next video.